Now you need to get prepared to update the display with the new product the user added. Declare a current product count variable and assign it the value of the total count per product object's property matching the ID of product. So we write const in this part. And then the name of the variable would be the current product count. And assigning it to the object, which would be the total count hmm, per product. And then to access the product and its ID would be the use of the bracket notation. And we input first the product. Mm. And then the property ID, which would indicate we access the object total count per product and the ID of this product, which is all assigned to the variable current product count. So that would be it. Nice.